Good morning, everyone. We're going to Bicol with my cousins. Ate Elsa, Ate Evelyn. Ayan. Kita-kita po tayo doon sa Catanduanes. Itutour namin kayo.
Later on after we depart. As
We're
of the moment,
boarding.
we're not expecting heavy departing traffic out of Manila, so we should go.
Busy.
We'll keep you guys updated if things change, and thank you for your understanding.
Tape around the waist and push and couple. Pull tapes to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push fins inward to release air. Aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after decompression. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exit.
Area ko na sa tour guide. Tour guide. Kasi mga turista tayo, di ba? Ay, hindi kami taga rito. We're bound to Ukraine. Gaga. I-stop namin yung yung labanan ko. Ay. Parang mas maganda meron.
Oo, mas maganda ako pag nakaganyan.
Mas maganda yung
I don't
meron.
have to hide my beauty. Wow.
Si Ate Evelyn nasa likod.
Ay, Evelyn.
Hindi daw siya makaangat kasi
Nasa na po nakatali.
Ate,
Hello,
Say hi.
Hello, nakasilip.
say hi to my vlog.
Hello. Turista namin si Emma. Ano kaya to?
Ayan, malapit na kami sa, may nakikita na kami bundok.
Ate,
We're bound to, Catanduanes. Kasama ko yung pisan pa si Ate Elsa at si Ate Evelyn.
hindi ako Emma niyan ha. Happy mo.
Vlog pa tayo, papanoorin mo na lang.
Oo, nag-vlog siya, di ba? Nakailang vlog ka na?
Dami na, 100 plus na.
Di ba umabot ka na ng yung bad viewers mo?
May pagkita ba
Oo,
yun?
monetize na.
Emma, may pagkita ba yun?
Pero naman, malapit na nga ako makabili ng bahay.
Yeah, talaga. Ako na rin, magpa-vlog na rin ako.
Marami kasi nagpa-vlog, nagkakabahay. Naantay ko si Yesley, may bibigay daw sa amin. Ano kaya yun?
Baka yung baon nila.
Nagawa mo, te. Video sa akin, picture sa'yo.
Ganun, sige, sige.
Ayan guys, dami namin pagkain dito. Dami namin pagkain dito kasi libre. Ano kinakain mo, Tels? Sandwich?
Oo. Yung sandwich.
Sana yan na lang hiningi ko, no? Sabi ko kasi cheapy. Pero dami kong drinks. Drinks mo, te, o kuha ka dito.
You want to buy?
Ayun.
Wala akong COVID. Wala akong COVID.
And kala ko tubig, COVID pala. Birak. Tara na. Here we are. Thank you, Lord. Hello, Manay Mila. Kumusta na?
Uy, ako mga pinsan na mga beautiful girl.
Beautiful lang kami, ate, pero mayaman ikaw.
Say hi. Mayaman sa pagkamot sa kapwa.